Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we're doing the best homemade chicken tenders, you guys. And these tenders are just that tender, juicy, flavorful. And y'all, we're also doing a homemade honey mustard dipping sauce on the side. And these recipes will be under my homemade recipe playlist. Make sure you check it out. Let's go. So I have this little Amazon tool that I got, and it's a crinkle fry cutter. I don't know what the proper thing is, but it makes your fries look crinkly. And I'm just gonna cut them up and put them into water. Aren't they cute? Into water and let them soak just to pull that starch out and make them extra crispy. So for my seasonings, I am gonna do white pepper, celery salt, garlic seasoning, onion powder, and then MSG, which is totally optional, but it helps with the flavoring. Then I have some paprika and salt and pepper. And then I have a combination of cornstarch and flour, and of course tenders that I actually soaked in buttermilk and rinsed. So I'm gonna season up my tenders, and while I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity to click that subscribe button if you have not already. And thank you so much to those who have already subscribed to my channel, and for those who are watching and commenting, I appreciate you guys, and shout out to my fellow creators. Hey y'all. So I'm putting my seasoned tenders into a separate bag and set them off to the side. These are just gonna sit for like 30 minutes while I prep my other part of the meal. So for the dressing, I'm gonna do mayo, and I'm doing Mike's Hot Honey, but you can use regular honey, but this gives it a little bit of a kick. 2 types of mustard, Dijon and classic yellow. Then I'm gonna do some red wine vinegar, but you can use regular vinegar, fresh lemon, and some sugar, because I like a good sweet honey mustard. So I'm just gonna add everything to a bowl, and this is something that you kind of want to make ahead because all of those flavors marry together. The longer it sits, the better it tastes. And I'm just gonna mix that up and then cover with some plastic wrap, and then into the refrigerator it goes until you're ready to eat. So on the fries, I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of vinegar into a large pot of boiling water and add my fries, and it's gonna cook approximately 3 minutes. And then after you drain them dry, you just do your first fry. So these are gonna be double fried, and this is gonna give you that good fluffy coating with the golden outside. And so you don't wanna fully cook for your first batch like so. They should be pretty light. So I'm putting them out and put them in the freezer. And once you're ready to cook them, take them out the freezer and go ahead and drop your fries. And this is also a great way to cook them up, and you can pull them out, you know, whenever you want to cook them at any time. So I'm gonna season up my flour, and all of the measurements will be in the description box. So that will be my seasoned flour batch, and then you also have a bag of plain flour. So I'm gonna put my seasoned tenders into the plain flour and just set them on the tray. And then after that, I am actually going to throw some water bits, as you can see, and that's gonna make some little crunchy bits. And I saw this method on YouTube, and you literally just put the tender into water directly into your seasoned flour, directly into the oil, so it doesn't sit like I normally do. And y'all, this method works. I honestly think I'm gonna do it going forward, because look at this, you guys. The coating on those tenders are so light and crunchy and delicious, you guys. Look at that. And then we have that creamy dipping sauce, but hold on now. And look at that. That coating, I mean, this is restaurant quality, you guys, but let me let you get that bite. Hold on now. There you go, baby. Go on and take that bite. So good. So I hope you guys try that recipe out. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, I'm doing new recipes every single week. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week in my new video. Bye, y'all.